So in this video, I'm going to show you what Tag Protocol is, how you can mine and make money using Twitter hashtags. I know if you're listening and watching, this sounds kind of nuts, but it's really actually amazing, and you're early if you're watching this video. Most people have not heard about Tag Protocol. So the short version is basically you will end up signing up for a hashtag. You're going to check to see if a hashtag is available. So let's say we want to choose ghost, or let's say the tree company. I'm choosing that because most likely it's going to be available, right? Because then if you choose something like NFT, not available, right? So basically you're going to have to look and you're going to have to do research. You also want to find hashtags that are being used. So that's the kind of like the catch is you want to find hashtags that are being used a lot, but you also need to make sure that those are available, because like crypto, anything like that, or let's do like Nike, not available, right? So what's going to happen is you're going to sign up, you're going to get your hashtag. Shoot, I don't know why it's doing that, but let's go back. Okay. So what you would do is you would sign up, and then from there you would basically essentially be able to make money off of your hashtag, right? So the way that you're going to log into this, I don't know why this is here. The way you're going to log in would be to, I'm on the wrong, my wrong Google Chrome platform. But essentially what you would do is you would open the app, right? And then it's going to ask you to pick a wallet. So that's how you're going to sign in. I can't do that, but let's see if I can show you. Let's see if I can show you tag scan. What, right. So we can see. So let's see. So basically, so earned, this is an earn. This is what the person who got this hashtag NFT is earned. Social media index count is added every 24 hours. So I'm not entirely sure if this means that in every 24 hours they're making 2,578 and whatever change tag coins. But the tag coin is about at 20 cents when I'm making this video. And it can be converted to Ethereum, right? So do the math. Hey Siri, what's 2,578 times 0.20? So that's $515. I imagine that's all time. I don't think that that is just in 24 hours, but right here you see the amount that they're earning, and then there's an option to stake it and earn higher rewards. So to buy one of these tags and to get ownership on it, you pay $650, and you buy it with BNB. So if you don't know what that is, BNB is Binance. So you're going to buy with that, and then from there, every time someone uses your hashtag, like if it's NFT, you're going to earn money, right? So in this case, they earned 0.27 whatever of a tag. Tag is worth 20 cents. But the idea is that if you go and look and you do research, some hashtags are used in the millions. Now you just have to find one that someone hasn't already acquired. But it's a really interesting way to make money. I found a hashtag that I'm probably going to purchase. It's an actor's name, and I have to do a little more research, but I think it will probably perform pretty well. And there's a couple others, but here's an example: is I looked up World Star, and it was available, and so I went and did research, and it was amazing. It was a great tag, but the problem is, then I didn't buy it fast enough. The next day, someone already bought it. So these are going quick. Now is the time. I hope this video helped you. If you did like it, please subscribe to my channel. Comment down below. I'm going to be making a lot more videos like this. Interesting things like this, just cool ways to make money, etc.